Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by physically connecting a laptop to the Nec Sl2100 LAN port and power up the system. Configure your PC with a static IP in the same subnet, for example 192, 168, 100 with subnet 255, 255, 255, 0, so you can reliably reach the phone system. Temporarily disable or adjust your firewall to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic on ports 80 and 443. Open a modern browser and point to the SL2100. After logging into the SL2100 web management interface, check and apply any firmware updates before making major configuration changes. Create users and assign extensions, typically in the 100 to 199 range, set usernames, and enable voicemail per extension with PINs. Configure trunks next. Add SIP trunk accounts, set SIP port 5060, and enable NAT traversal options if the system sits behind a router. Map incoming, DID numbers to extensions, and set outbound rules and caller ID shaping for proper routing. Finish by securing and optimizing the network. Assign a voice VLAN ID, for example VLAN 10, tag the switch ports used by IP phones, and set CoS to prioritize RTP streams. Configure system network services like NTP and DNS, and ensure the SL2100 has a static management IP or DHCP reservation. Create and download a full system backup, record admin passwords securely, and then test every handset by placing inbound and outbound calls, checking voicemail, and validating DID and outbound route behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.